Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. With all these products on the table here, you think that I'm making a really complicated card, but I am not. It is a Monday Makes card. I have the Incredible Like You stamp set. I have the Happiness Blooms Designer Series paper, Calypso Coral ink, and the Calypso Coral satin ribbon, as well as the Happiness Blooms enamel dots. And I have chosen this lovely pattern. It is 4 inches and I'm wide. I'm cutting it down to about 2 inches. And here I have a 4 by 5 1/4 front panel. I'm just adhering the Designer Series paper on the front of that and trimming off the excess. So now I have this beautiful Calypso Coral satin ribbon, and I'm just going to put my favorite adhesive down on it. You could use tear tape for this too because it's strong enough to hold ribbon. I've made sure that my paper is nice and straight, and I am trying my very hardest to adhere the ribbon nice and straight as well, cutting off just what I need to fold over the panel, and that's that. This is Calypso Coral cardstock, and I am adhering my card front to my card base and burnishing it with a bone folder. Now I have the layering circles here. One is just a regular circle and the other is a scalloped. I've stamped in Calypso Coral, so glad we're friends, popped that on the scallop circle, and now I'm going to put dimensionals on the back of that. Just gonna fit it right on the white section of the panel. And then with my Happiness Blooms enamel dots, I'm just going to put the Calypso Coral colored on there, 3 as I like to do. And that's pretty much my very simple card with lots of products for you today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.